In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Sequoia key fob and change the internal battery at home. Now, if you have the 3-button version or the 4-button version of this device, it doesn't matter. The process will be exactly the same, and the battery is the same and everything. So it'll look just like this, but it just have 3 buttons. Just follow along anyway, regardless of which version you have. So you will need one of these CR2016 batteries, and if you'd like to get one of these online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here, look at where this key ring attaches, and you can see there's a little slot in the plastic there. You want to use a regular flathead screwdriver to open this thing up. So make sure the back side is facing up, not the buttons. Toyota symbol facing up, and just insert your screwdriver into that little area and give it a twist. Now you can remove this back piece of plastic and you can pull out this little component in there. And you see under here, we have all these little buttons that will just fall right out on you. If you'd held it the other way, they'd fall out and you'd have to put them back in. It would take a couple minutes and be a little annoying. So set that down and just be careful with it. We can work over here now. Up at the top of this component, we can put our flathead screwdriver once again, or a coin, and just between the black plastic and this little wall of clear plastic, we're just going to put our tool and twist. That will crack it open, and then we can remove this, set that to the side. Again, with the flathead screwdriver, we just want to come in on the top of the battery and just kind of get under it. You can see I'm just putting my tool under the battery and pushing it in, and it will come right out. I'll show you that once again. Just wiggle the corner of your flathead under the battery and then just push. So CR2016 battery, make sure that is what you're using. And if you don't know where to get one of those, check the link in the description to bring you over to Amazon. And when you're putting your new battery in, make sure the positive side does go face up. So when you click this in there, you want to see that plus sign. Now we can just put it all back together. So click this on top of there. Carefully lift this up and just set this right in there. Just super easy. And just click the back on there. That's really all it takes. I hope that was a help to you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like so others can find it and it can help them too. And if you ever need help changing a battery in another key fob, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model. And you can also check those out directly at our website, fobbattery.com.